Let's make our fluffy Nigerian meat pie today. So into your bowl, you add your 500 gram of all-purpose flour. The next thing, you add your baking powder. I'm using half tablespoon of baking powder. The next thing I'm going with is my sauce. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon. Of salt. Then you go in with 1 tablespoon of sugar, which is 15 ml. Then you add your butter. I'm using butter, 250 gram of butter. Combine this together before you add your butter. I'm using salted butter, so that is why I reduce my salt. Wash your hand, then you use your 2 hands to mix this together. After mixing it like this, then you go in with your water. Make sure that your mixture is like this. It's looking fluffy. It's looking fluffy like this. When your mixture is like this, it means that you are going to have that soft and fluffy meat pie. Then I add my half cup of water, which is 25 ml of water. You allow this to mix together. Then you leave it for 15 minutes. Then you leave it for 30 minutes outside. You don't need to put in the fridge. Then you divide your dough to the amount of meat pie you want to make. Then you close together. Continue the process until you finish to make it. Then I use my egg to brush the meat pie. It's time to take it to the oven. Make sure that your oven is preheat before you take it to the oven.
So this is the outcome of the meat pie. Can you see how the meat pie is looking so yummy and delicious?
Very soft inside, and you can see that